When selecting windows for balconies or bedrooms today, people often desire an unobstructed panoramic view without partitions, while also prioritizing the need for ventilation to connect with the natural environment. We elegantly resolves these seemingly conflicting needs with its micro-vent window system. The micro-vent optimizes the fixed window area in a way unmatched by other designs. The finely crafted aluminum vent casement window maintains a consistent 100 mm opening width, ensuring both safety and ventilation. This design guarantees a comfortable and organic exchange of air with the outside world. Micro vents complement the expansive fixed windows, seamlessly integrating on either one side or both sides of them. Their understated design blends into the background, barely noticeable. When installed on a right-angle wall, the pillar-less adjacent windows create a captivating 3D panoramic view, with a maximum height of 2.8 meters. Micro vents offer an optional mesh for insect prevention. Furthermore, customization options allow for different colors on the inner and outer sides of the micro vent, as well as on the X-line handles, infusing vitality and playfulness into facade designs. It satisfies various architectural scenarios, bringing imaginative architectural designs into reality. The confidence to dare to be imaginative in design comes from strong performance. Using ultra-high precision 60/60 T6 European standard profiles, the aluminum thickness of the open section is up to 3.3 millimeters. A three-seal structure crafted with quality sealing materials, coupled with a thermal break multi-chamber design, achieves a level 6 heat insulation, with air tightness and wind pressure resistance reaching levels 8 and 9 respectively. Additionally, the sound insulation performance reaches up to 35 decibels. The unique high-quality hardware adopts an overall electroplating black zinc deactivation, combined with the profile's med coating process. The windows are more corrosion-resistant and durable, as we spend 90% of our time inside buildings. How to own a breathing building, allowing us to be closer to nature, perhaps begins with the micro vent.